In the heart of old Gaza City, amidst narrow alleys oozing history, stands the Great Omari Mosque, Gaza's oldest architectural gem, a witness to civilization's prayers for a millennium. Originally a temple, later a Byzantine church. When Muslims entered Gaza under Omar, it became a mosque, named Al-Omari after Omar ibn al-Khattab. Endured time, quakes, wars, and fires. Yet it always rose again. Mamluks restored, added grand minaret. Ottomans adorned it beautifully. Always a beacon of knowledge and worship. Scholars and Quran readers thrived here. Its halls blend serenity and wisdom. Today, each stone seems alive. It speaks of Gaza's resilience and faith. More than a mosque, it's living history.